Introducing Createproto, your go-to destination for precision CNC aluminium milling services. We cater to the aerospace, automotive, electronics, and healthcare sectors. Experience volume pricing delivered with on-time production. Get instant online quotes within hours, making your decision-making process a breeze. Need parts fast? We deliver quick machined parts in just 3 days. Benefit from fast DFM analysis within hours to ensure the perfect outcome. With Createproto, quick turnarounds are our specialty, your project, our priority. Head over to www.createproto.com to get a quote.